Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Got my Stihl MS250 right here, and gonna put the service kit in it, which includes a fuel filter, spark plug, and a new air filter. Pretty basic, so we'll go ahead and jump right into it. First thing you want to do is make sure that you're in the full choke position by holding down the trigger. Turn this counterclockwise and then pull this cover off. That'll expose your air filter as well as your spark plug. First thing we're going to do is just get the air filter out of the way to access the spark plug. Take a screwdriver, just pry up on it a little bit if you need to. Kind of like that. And then it should just pop off the other side fairly easy. Or you can do that method again. There we go. Alright, just remove the spark plug boot. Alright, there we go. Doesn't really look too bad. That's actually a pretty good spark plug too. But we're here to put a new kit in, so that's what we're going to do. Alright. Take our brand new filter. You can see the difference between the old filter and the new one. And it's pretty simple, just clips right on. Just like that. At this point, go ahead and reinstall your cover. And then you can bring it back to the stop position. So for the next part, I've already drained the gas out, but you're going to want to go ahead and empty your tank right out. You'll need a hook or something to reach down in here to access your filter. Alright, got it out of there. Took a bit of effort, but didn't want to really rupture anything. So just go ahead and pull your old fuel filter out of there. Install your new one. Just like that. And then just tuck this back in here. And I try to tuck it down in there quite a bit, but overall you want to make sure it's kind of on the bottom of the tank. go ahead and fill it with gas and reinstall your cap. Should be good to go. Alright, so that about wraps it up for just the service kit. It's kind of like a tune-up kit. I put the old stuff back in here, mostly just for the spark plug, if I need it. The part number, if you need this kit. Or just look up the service kit for your chainsaw. This was about $8 or $9. And it takes no time at all. And also, this would be a good time to sharpen your chain. Mine's pretty sharp already, so no need there, just a couple of them. But that's about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.